Wellington, New Zealand. Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. I hope you enjoyed our previous videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, leaving a thumbs up, and sharing our videos with your friends and loved ones. In today's video, we will be talking about interesting places to visit in Wellington, New Zealand. Wellington has plenty of mountains, nature, and gardens, awesome arts, and a music scene which it wholeheartedly embraces. I've visited Wellington before, and I really love the place. I would love to share with you the interesting places to visit in the city of Wellington today. Number 1. The Lord of the Rings. If the Lord of the Rings doesn't top the list, then where could this be except number 1? This is actually the first thing you need to do when you visit New Zealand, but you'll have to part with some cash in order to tour the Lord of the Rings. Number 2. Auckland City. Auckland City has a few fine museums, some colonial pretty buildings, and a lively cultural scene with regular comedy and music festivals. So if you want to have fun, crack your ribs, and take your sorrow away, then you should consider visiting this city. Day trips out of Auckland's crowded center are where it gets really good. Number 3. Go out and watch the All Blacks rugby match. Do you want to watch the All Blacks rugby in New Zealand? Step out of your home and look for one in the city of Wellington. The national side usually plays at Eden Park in Auckland, and if you're lucky, there will be a home match during your stay in New Zealand. If you do manage to get game tickets, then be sure to get there before the game begins so you can watch all the Blacks perform the legendary haka. Number 4. Most incredible ice cream in the world. If you're looking for things to do in Auckland, there's only one place you need to go. Head to downtown Auckland if you're a lover of the most incredible ice cream in the world. A food lover, a vegan food lover looking for a dessert better than Oreos, or someone who likes something a little different and unique when it comes to eating the Gapo ice cream is the one shop you need to visit. If you like your ice cream wearable in the shape of a rocket, or even a giant squid, then head to Auckland City Center. Don't just eat the ice cream, experience it. Number 5. Cape Regina, Te Regina Wairua. The place is one of the most visited places in the north part of New Zealand. Anyone can get to Cape Regina by taking the stunning Highway 1 route from Auckland. The route trip along the Cape is a favorite of locals and travelers alike. Number 6. Trek the Rerenga Northern Circuit. The Rerenga Northern Circuit is one of the most popular and satisfying adventure treks in the Wellington area. If you want to achieve fitness goals, then you should consider trekking 43 kilometers within 4 to 5 days, depending on the individual fitness levels and whether or not you pause to do some of the side treks. While you are trekking, make sure to check ahead for weather conditions and pack appropriately for your New Zealand adventure. Surf the coastline. With over 15,000 kilometers of surrounding coastline, Wellington is without a doubt a first-class surfing destination for tourists. The surf varies drastically depending on where you are, so you need to ensure your chosen surf matches your skill level as well as your equipment. Beginners should check the Rerenga, where a lot of introductory classes on offer, whereas Northern Auckland, Watako offers a nice challenge for more experienced wave riders. When it comes to gear, you'll need to board a wetsuit, and these can generally be hired locally or you can shop for them online. Wellington City. Whilst most people come to New Zealand for its stunning and natural beauty, the cities also do have a lot to offer. The city is compact, easy, and pleasant to walk around, and with only 500,000 residents, it won't feel too crowded. The pick of the museums in the Te Papa National Museum brings the history and fascinating geology of New Zealand to life. You must also climb Mount Victoria to take in a 360 panorama and ride on the old cable car system. The city also has a happening food scene, some friendly bars, and loads of microbreweries that are mixing up their own artisanal styles. And number 10, Wellington after dark. There are plenty of things to do in Wellington at night. The night market will have you salivating with its culinary aromas. As you can see, you'll be marveled when you visit Wellington. It's really hard not to fall in love with Wellington City, New Zealand. If you have enough money and time for a short trip to Wellington, and make the most of it with the most amazing things to do. You can also do a lot of research on other interesting places to visit in the Wellington area. That's all we have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ensure you subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.